Welcome back, Kingdom Millionaires. This is money exercise number 2 that you can do to start to pull out and become more aware of this programmed scarce belief that you are carrying around every day. So what you want to do is write on a piece of paper either your money goal or something that God has told you to do, some type of vision, starting a business, or stepping out and doing something that you've always been afraid. You want to get that on paper. So for this episode, in this example, we're going to use a money goal. Let's say you have a money goal to make 100K this year. What you want to do is really sit and immerse yourself in the thought of making 100K this year. And you want to record, or you want to write or do a thought download on every thought that comes up as it relates to you making 100K this year. More than likely, 99% of them will be thoughts that are not serving you. And so when you try to show up to create 100K this year, you're unsuccessful, not because you're not enough, not because you can't, or all these other thoughts that you fill your mind with, all these other limitations, simply because of what you're thinking. What you're thinking is not serving you to be able to show up in a way to create this goal or be the person that makes 100K this year. So you want to do a thought download, which simply means you want to write down every thought that comes up for you, good, positive, or negative, right? Every thought that comes up for you, so you can begin to sort through and see what's not serving you. So for this example, a person could say, maybe I don't know how to make this amount. I'm in debt. I have never made over $35,000 a year. I can never get ahead. I shouldn't be making this much as a Christian. And that's a deep thought, right? So a lot of us as believers, we have to start to work through, because we've been told we shouldn't be thinking about money goals. We've been told we shouldn't want to have a desire to be a millionaire or any type of success, right? And so you really want to get this thought download down. And you want to bring it into a session. Click the link in the description so that I can begin to show you what to do with this and how to transition it to thoughts that will serve you, so that you can be well on your way to becoming first the person who makes 100K a year, and then having this 100K a year, or creating this 100K a year. We can also take, maybe there's a vision or something that God specifically said to you. Start a business, go back to school, go evangelize, a witness to this person, whatever, right? Something he's told you to do, or you're in the process of starting a business and he said, hey, jump on YouTube, do some videos, jump on this live, do a live, go network, go to this event, go speak on the stage. I have been amongst all of those things he's told me to do. And when he's told me them, the emotion that came up was fear. I was having fear because the thoughts that I was having, it didn't serve me, because either I showed up, but I showed up out of fear, or I didn't show up at all. And I went and hid, or just didn't do anything with the gift that he gave me at that time.